Hello everyone, in this video you're going to learn about lowest common multiple or least common multiple LCM. How to find least common multiple. In my previous video I've taught you about HCF. The same method we are going to do, but some more steps we will do. Okay, I will show you. So I've just taken 3 examples here. So you're going to start dividing using a common factor. Okay, your factor should be common for both, right? Now, okay, for HCF we stopped here, right? For LCM, you will continue even if you have one common factor, you should do till you get 1 and 1. Okay, 1, 3, 3, 1, 1 till you have 1 here. This 2 is not common for both. So what I have done, I will write 2 here. I will divide 2 by 2. I will write 1. 3 I cannot divide with 2. It is not divisible, right? So 3 as it is I will write. The next time I will write 3 here. 1 as it is I will write. 3 I will divide by 3. I will write 1. So till I have 1 here, I will keep dividing. Okay, so if you have common for both, you will divide. If you don't have common, you will keep this number as it is. You will divide this number and you will write like this. Okay, done. Till you have 1 and 1. So what is the LCM? 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. Okay, so what is it? 2 3s are 6. Okay, 2 3s are again 6. 6 into 6, 36. Your LCM is 36. Okay. The next problem. I have 3 common for both. Okay. So what should I do? I don't have common for both. So what can I do? For one number I can take 2. 15 I will write as it is. Again 2. 15 I will write as it is. 3. 5 times 5, 1 and 1. So till I see 1 and 1 I am going to keep dividing. So 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. If you miss out one factor, what will happen? Your answer will be wrong. So after you write this down, it is always better to check. 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 5. You know what I used to do when I was a kid? I will circle. 2 I have written. Yes. 3 I have written. 2. Yes. 2 again. 3. 5. All are circled, right? I have not missed out anything. This is a good way if you're a beginner, okay? Even otherwise, after writing, you please check. Because if I miss out, because I always have 2, 3, 2, 2, 2 like that. If I miss out 1, 2, my answer will be wrong, right? Such a simple problem, you should not lose marks here, okay? So you check. So what is it? 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. 24 into 15, 24 into 15, that is 22. Okay, this is 360. Okay, your LCM is 360. Because I've done this problem before, I know the answer. Okay, you please calculate and write. Now, okay, I have 5 as a common factor. 4, 5, 6. If I have common factors for 2 numbers, you can write that. Or even for one number, you can continue writing. Okay, 2, 2. If this is not divisible by 2, I will write as it is. Then 6 divided by 2, 3. Okay, so again I am going to write 2, 1. 5 is not divisible by 2, 5 I will write as it is. 3 is not divisible by 2, so 3 I will write as it is. 5, 1, 1, 3. So I will write 3 as it is. 3 again, 1, 1 and 1. Till I have 1, 1, 1, I will do. So what is my LCM? 5 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. So shall we circle? 5, 2, 2, 5, 3. So that way you will never go wrong. Okay, so 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, and we have one more 3. 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 3 is 300. Your LCM is 300. Club the numbers in such a way that your multiplication becomes easy. Okay, so if you do 5 into 2, 10, 10 into 2, 20, 20 into 5, instead of that, you know 5 into 2 is 10, 5 into 2 again is 10, 10 tens are 100, into 3 you do 300. So, club the numbers so that the multiplication becomes easy. Okay.